Wadau. Welcome again, Ken Masharia here. Actually, I know you are here because you want exactly to know how YouTube pays. And maybe you have been that guy who is confused, like, can I leave my business or my job to start or to be a full-time YouTuber? Manze, in this video, you're gonna be learning a lot because I'm gonna be telling you how YouTube pays and why you can be paid good money. And also, I will explain to you like how I'm paid by the same YouTube. Alright? So, get tuned, subscribe. Maybe you can take your popcorn and sit down because it's a short video but very informative video how you can get paid on YouTube. So, karibuni majama. There's something we call YouTube. It's an online platform for you to upload videos. And the aim of many people uploading videos there is actually to make money, but you can also do it like a hobby, alright? Anyway, majama, I'm coming right from this beautiful city. This is Nakuru City. Okay, you can make money on YouTube. How can you make money on YouTube? Personally, I make money on YouTube, and I'm paid every month. And I'm paid every month once I reach $70 on YouTube. Alright? So let me explain to you how you can get paid. The first thing you need for you to get paid on YouTube is actually, let me sit down well. The first thing actually you need for you to get paid is to get monetized first. How are you supposed to get monetized, or how are you monetized on YouTube? You need 4,000 watch time hours and 1,000 subscribers for you to get monetized. That's something very easy for you to get it, but I'll be doing a video of how you can get these hours and how you can get these subscribers in a very short period of time. Alright? So, majama, now let's assume you are monetized. Alright? Let's assume now you are monetized on YouTube. It doesn't take long once you work hard to be monetized. Let's now assume you are monetized and now you want to make money. And maybe you want to travel a little bit the world and see the world as well as making money. There is something we call niche. Niche is like the types of videos that you want to do, or the types of videos that you want to be uploading online for people to watch. Maybe entertaining videos, maybe cooking videos, maybe traveling videos, maybe football, or maybe reaction videos. Some people may even choose something we call podcast, like just sitting down with your mic and a camera and talk to people and give stories. Anyway, we just call it a niche. Niche is a particular space that you take on YouTube. Maybe you can educate, or maybe you're a professional doctor and you can be talking about diseases or fitness or something like that, you know. Those things are the things that will pay you on YouTube. For example, cooking niche. If you're doing cooking, it cannot pay you the same money like the guy who is doing like traveling, or the guy who is talking about finance, or a guy who is teaching you how to do business. It will never be the same. So now, before you take any niche, you have to know, like, you want to make money, yes. Which niche will pay you well, and you know very well you are good about it. You know, which niche will pay very well, and you know very well you are good about it. Now, most people will choose like cooking and traveling and podcast. Those are the main like niches that people do take care on YouTube. But let's start with like a cooking niche. Those guys who are cooking, people like food, and people love watching videos about food, like how to bake a cake, maybe how to make coffee. I say that because I saw a guy perfect with coffee. How to make good coffee. You know what is happening up here. You know how to make coffee or such. you have to choose a particular niche that people will know you with it, because I can be always going towards like somebody like Mr. Beast. Every time I want to feel entertained with a little bit of adrenaline, I'll go to watch Mr. Beast videos. Alright? I'll go to watch Mr. Beast videos. And that particular niche is the one that is going to be paying you. Like, let's assume you are doing cooking videos. That's what we do. A single video, maybe let's assume this video got over 10,000 views, and YouTube most of the time will pay with something we call cost per mile, CPM, cost per mile, and they might be paying you like $8 per 1,000 people watching your video. But that's not the money that will be reaching your account. There is something else we call RPM. You know, that is the actual amount of money that you'll be receiving on your account direct after tax. Let's always say after tax. That's the amount of money you'll be receiving after tax every time. Anyway, this cooking video, you get 10,000 views, alright? Every 1,000 view, your YouTubers or the advertisers will be paying you $8 per 1,000 views, alright? So it's $8 times 10, because it's 10,000 views. So this 8,000, I mean not $8, I mean this $8 is times 10 because it's 10,000 views, alright? But that's not the amount of money we'll be reaching you. So we can say it's 8 times 10. That will be $8. It's already raining. I don't know where we're gonna be hiding. Let's finish this video here down under this tree. You see, that will be $80. But YouTube cannot pay you that kind of money immediately. Because of what? Now, there's something we call RPM. That's the actual amount of money YouTube will pay you. Actually, they will divide that like by 2 the amount of money they are paying you. That is $8. You divide by 2, it will be like $4 or $3.95 per 1,000 views. They will pay you that money. All right, and that's this is the process of making money on YouTube now. They will pay you that money, and your actual money will be like $3 or let's say $4 times 10. Why are we multiplying by 10? Because you get 10,000 views. So every 1,000 view, they will be paying you now $4 actual dollars that will be coming to your account. All right, so that will be $40 US. So a single video of cooking which got you 10,000 views will give you allowed $40. $40 if you multiply by your currency. I don't know where you are watching this video from. For right now, we are in Kenya. Just multiply that amount by that 132 bob. So it will be 40 times 132. Let's say 130. So it's 400 and let's say let's actually do a calculation and you see exactly how much money, if you are in Kenya, that video would have given you. So actually, guys, you can get motivated and let's actually do this math. Right now, this video, I'm making this video in Kenya. Let's do this. It will be 40 times 132. So that single video will be giving you 5,280. That is the exact money that you'll be making on that video, which got you 10,000 views. Leave alone that now. Let's keep aside that one. There is another video you can be talking about finance, how to make money. Like now, this is a video or a niche about how to make money doing a particular business or finance or insurance. My friend, that video, what we said, we call it cost per mile, CPM. It can go up to 25 or $35 US per 1,000 people watching your video. Imagine. All right. So if you talk about if you talk about anything to do with money, you get more money. on YouTube. That is the idea of YouTube now. So like this video, as we said, and now YouTube will always take like 45% of what you have made. All right, that is from the CPM now, that $5, YouTube will take 45% of what you have made, or from the amount you have made from that video. From every 1,000 people watching your video, they will take 45% and they will give you now 55%. So if right there it was let's say that $4 to make the work easier, you'll be receiving $17 per every 1,000 people watching your video. That is something you need to know. All right, you'll be getting $17 per 1,000 people watching your video. That's something you need to know. So the idea of this is the kind of video that you are making. So let's now assume you got the same views from the cooking video, which is 10,000. So it will be what? It will be 17 times 10, which is 170. Now this is your RPM, which YouTube gonna be paying you direct, and you multiply this by 132. You can see. So $170 from the same views you got from like the cooking video, and now this is about finance video or about money video. It will give you 22,440. Now this is shillings, but in dollars it's $170. But the previous video we saw what? 5,000 and maybe I think 200 and something. 5,200 and something. So that's how now you can make money on YouTube. You can choose your niche, which is best for you. But now the trick comes here. This one now the trick comes. The trick comes in here. Let's take a simple break and see what is happening around. This is Nakuru. Alright, the trick comes in here now. Finance video won't get a lot of money. I mean, won't get a lot of views. Maybe you can make 30,000 views for a particular video in its lifetime. Come to our cooking video now. Let's do the math. Let's start with now finance video, and this video gonna be ending now. Let's say the entire lifetime of your cooking video, I mean finance video, you got 30,000 views, which will be $17. We saw it is giving us $17 per 1,000 views. So it's 70 times 30, right? So it's 17 times 30. So it will give you $510 entire lifetime of that video, which can multiply in Kenyan money. This is dollars now, which is 132. It will give you 67,000 in its lifetime. That's finance video. This one how the tricks come in. Let's now go back to our cooking video. All right, our cooking video, because they tend to get a lot of views. Let's give it 500,000 views, 500,000 views. All right, and we saw it was giving us $4. It was giving us $4 in every 1,000 views. $4, all right? So it's $4 times 500, which is 500,000. So so that we can get because it's 1,000 $4, 1,000 $4, up to 500,000. So it's 500, which will give you $2,000. $2,000, if you multiply by Kenyan money, you get 264,000. But it's the video that had the lowest RPM. What does that mean? Or how is this trick working? In short, just know that cooking video will give you less money but more views that will help you to make more money. Finance videos, maybe a profession in finance videos will give you more money but less views. It's your time now to know, like, what will I choose? What will I go with? Alright? It's your time now to know what will I choose or what will I go with. That is the way you can know, or it's the way you can make money on YouTube. Just choosing your niche well. We're gonna be talking about how to make money on YouTube on so many videos, every day, every time. Stay tuned. Subscribe to this channel because we're gonna be giving out best of the best videos, educational videos, and also how to make more money every day here on YouTube and here online. Thank you so much. Subscribe, and I hope it's of great help. Let's grow together, Manze. Congratulations, I say. May you succeed in your YouTube career. May you succeed. May you get more views. May you get more subscribers every day. As you get more subscribers, subscribe to this channel so that we can grow together. Let's go.